Hi, I'm Marna. There's a lot of truth in the good things were made by accident. And one of the myth legends, could it be true, circling is that plastic was discovered by making oleo. Do you know what oleo is? It's margarine, which is fake butter for people to eat. Anyway, sometimes when you're crafting, one thing leads to another, or one size difference leads to a different outfit. When you're crafting, you have to keep an open mind, and if it doesn't work out one way, try it another. Yesterday at the Dollar Tree, I found this wine bottle bag. And I thought, you know, for $1, this was on it, that hat would probably fit Ken. And no, Santa hats are not hard to make at all. I'm going to have a DIY coming up on that real soon. But there it is, already made up. And then I thought, I wonder if I could make Ken a Santa suit out of this. It has the belt buckle, gold trim, the hat. So I went and got a Ken doll. He happened to have on his Renaissance boots, which ho, ho, ho. And I laid him down on here. I will cut this off. I think I'm going to make him a Santa suit jumpsuit and move this down. Now this piece might be a problem. We'll look at that because it'll look weird if he has white in his crouch. But I think we can make it work. But look at this. Now it's backwards, but talk about a perfect fit for a fancy Santa hat for Ken. Okay, I cut this ribbon, and I did not need to. If you buy one of these from the Dollar Tree, don't cut the ribbon, just untie it and pull it out. I cut the bottom, the seam off, because I'm trying to figure out, this is sewn on, and while I popped this free, it was glued right there. It is sewn to the side, but I think I'm going to cut that out. I think I'm going to make a bodysuit rather than a top and a bottom, and the reason is I can't do away with the white stripe that's going to be on the pants. I've thought about doing it several ways, including and not limited to moving this around, you know, cut the top off and then moving this around and making the pants from here. And I might still do that. So at this point, we are still working on it, but I wanted to show you before I cut it up too much where I was. Look at this hat. This hat is worth the $1 for your Ken dolls. I mean, it just fits. It had this little nick in it from where it was hooked down, and I did not do that. It came like that, but you know what? It's not a problem. I mean, just turn it like that. How cute is that on Ken? All right, here's what I have figured. I can do the pants. If I use this for a mid seam, and if I get the pants where I can hem them, which will take it to his heels or more, that still gives me, if I turn it this way and put it back around, enough fabric to make the shirt with the white in the middle and this fluff for the hang down. And I'm not sure how much we're going to go, but we can also use this for the belt. Okay, I have my pants cut out. I need to take that part off. I have my pants cut out. I have my top cut out. It looks like a Barbie would be able to wear it for a dress too. I've got the belt that I'm going to sew on the front, I think. We'll see as I get there. And then I have these, and I'm thinking, because this is short sleeved, I might add this around the edge. We'll see. Okay, I figured out how to make the sleeves longer and use this white strip. I think there's enough, pretty sure there's enough to take this piece, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish my sleeves up top. And then I'm going to open this up, and I'm carefully, yeah, I don't do anything carefully. I'm taking the seam out from between these, the red and the white, which will give this a little extra sizing. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Then I'm going to sew each of the top together, add this to the sleeves, and then I'll take my stitch here and simply do it like that and see where we are. So there you go, a beautiful Santa dress for Barbie. How did we get there from here? Well, when I got this sewn, because of the width of the item I was working from, the wine bottle, it would not fit. I love this Ken. He is a well-built fellow, but that would not fit him with the seam allowances. I thought I had it all figured out, but I did not. So I went and got a more narrow Ken. Nope, didn't work for him either. And I had jokingly told Darren, well, if it doesn't work out for a Santa suit for Ken, it'll make a cute dress for Barbie. Well, guess what? That's where we are. But it really is cute. And for $1 and, oh, look at that. For $1 and I don't think I have 20 minutes into this. Maybe that's the problem of why it didn't fit Ken. No, it just, even the hip part where I had the very widest part of the craft, it just didn't fit. Uh-oh, I missed my seam right there. I'll have to repair that. But there she is. Isn't that cute? For $1. And like I said, the hat alone, I think it's adorable on Ken. With his skin tone in that, it just pops. For $1, it's worth it for the hat. Leave a comment below. What craft item have you started that became something else? Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I love when you leave a comment. Please like and subscribe.